Howdy folks, welcome back to Wonder Eats. Today I'm in Manila, Philippines and I'm checking into Sands Hotel at 1 JD Place. Alright, so it's in Makati. It's slightly a little bit out of more commercial area, but it's such a good value location, and I'll show you guys in a little bit when we head into the room, right? So let's head on in. The entrance is on the side here. You can roll up your luggage. There's the steps right there as well. Nice. Very cozy. So, a little small, but for the price, amazing. Let me show you guys around. So, as you enter here to the door, you can see the cups. You can get the water from outside. And then, as you can see here, refresh, refill, repeat. Sink here. There's a table here, foldable table, chair, of course the bathroom. So let's have a look. It's a shower. There you go. Water heater, and you can control all the temperature right there. And there's a bidet as well. Slightly tight, but it's okay. And then they provide the conditioner and shampoo right here, and face towels, and the main towels are on the outside on the beds. Really nice decor, simple and nice. So the TV remotes, air condition remote. Yeah, please turn off lights and AC when not in use. Alright, and then this will be the aircon unit. Very unique, very small, very cute, from Colin. And here we go, Sands Hotel. Yeah, like all these little signages. When in doubt, chill out. Sands Hotel. So yeah, what do you guys think? Kindly reuse the towels. Right, I'm gonna put it right here. For basically 82 ringgit per night. We are staying here for 4 nights before going back to Kuala Lumpur. And yeah, I think this is a great base. Of course, the only thing here is that this area is a little bit quiet. It's not really within walking distance to any convenience store or anything like that, but it's just a short ride away, okay? But definitely not walking distance again. So something to consider. But I love the value. I love the setup. I love how clean it is. I love the number of plug points. There's quite a few places that I see, even the tuck in the corner there, here as well, just behind my back. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, definitely value for money. Alright, catch up with you guys when I check out. There's no breakfast here, of course. It's just plain stay, and yeah, not much here to eat again, as I mentioned, so we have to venture out to get breakfast or something to eat. Or better suggestion is to order via Grab food. Maybe we should consider that as well. Well folks, it has been 4 wonderful nights at Sands Hotel at 1 JD Place, Makati, managed by Red Doors. So anyway, actually I'm already back Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, because I was rushing to get to the airport this morning. But I just wanted to close up my thoughts on the hotel stay. And one of the key things, as I mentioned earlier, is one heck of a value in terms of about 82 ringgit per night. In Makati, I think is really good value. Also, the only thing within the area itself is a little bit quiet. There's not much to walk around, but it's definitely just a short ride away to Mall of Asia, to the seafood market, and to Greenbelt area, and so on and so forth. So it's just a short ride away. But one of the key things on staying there, I think, of course, as the room itself is kind of small, so the sound insulation is not spectacular, but it's more than adequate. The other thing, I think, in terms of the blanket, is just a very thin sheet, yeah, you can just control the aircon temperature in that sense. Overall, again, everything you need is there. The service is fantastic. As with the rest of my experience in Manila, I think the Filipino people are just cultivated in terms of how they treat people, the hospitality they receive, even from the cab drivers, waiters, etc. Was one remarkable experience in Manila. I did not get to film a lot, unfortunately, because it was a business trip after all. I did shoot a little bit of shorts. Actually, there's one published already. I'll publish another one or two in the days ahead or weeks ahead. So yeah, so that was my stay at Suns Hotel at 1 JD Place, Makati. I'll put the location in the description below. And if you would like, you just compare various travel platforms, OTA, to find the best prices. I think so far earlier we booked through Agoda is because it was one of the cheapest as well. I think the second cheapest was trip.com. So anyway, yeah. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.